Buenos tardes, amigos. Welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy and this is Mookie. We got a great episode today. Today's Tuesday, which makes it Taco Tuesday. Mookie has her sombrero on, and we're going to head out to Chipotle's and get a taco. Check it out.
Do a single beef barbacoa taco.
Oh, sure.
Alright, I got the beef barbacoa taco. I paid extra for queso sauce, but it still only cost $5.67 for a beef barbacoa taco. It's very heavy. Give it a try. The meat is very moist, tender, and flavorful. I'm glad I got the queso sauce on the taco. And this is the Chili's by my house, which is, the Chipotle by my house, which is way better than the Chipotle on my way to work. So definitely be getting the beef barbacoa with queso sauce again.
Thanks for watching another episode of Chappy's Tiki Bar, Taco Tuesday edition. I'm Chappy and this is Mookie. What's that, Mookie? Mookie says life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.